Hello everyone, good morning. This is Lawa Michael P. the same. Like I've said and I've showed in previous video how it is possible to grow anything in sack. All you need to do is to make meet the appropriate requirements. You can grow virtually everything in sack. As at now that we are having a pandemic disease, and though things are likely to, we cannot really say where things will fall, but as it stands, I would just like you to show you one or two things you can be doing while at home, if you have a little space, especially if you can have access to sack or some other materials that I'll be showing you in this video. Okay, just quickly, I want to show you something that is already being done right now. All right, so here, okay, so you see this maize. This maize, as you can see, it was planted in a sack. Can you see that? Yeah, along with some other vegetables I have here, the scent leaf. You can see the scent leaf here, the scent leaf, and I also have pepper here. Now I'll also be taking you around to see some other plants planted in sack. So, and I would like us to take advantage of this season, of this opportunity, and see the potential we have when we make use of sack. You can see this is what I'm talking about. This is pepper, and it has started fruiting. You can see the fruit. I hope you can see the fruit. This is pepper. This is pepper fruit in a sack, and I have that. Okay, I have that in this building. These are natural. Okay, so you can see them fruiting. So it's something very realistic. You can see them fruiting, and I have them like that all around this building. This is a natural, as you can see. Okay, I would like to show you for you to know that this thing is as real as. Can you see that? Okay, one after the other, every one of them is having fruit. So it is very possible to practice this in your house, especially those that have a compound already tiles, and you don't have a free space, a free soil where you can just plant anything. Everywhere is tiles, everywhere is like you have a German floor everywhere. So you can as well practice sack farming. You can see all over. Okay, so I encourage everyone to get involved, do one or two things with the sack. There's virtually nothing you can plant on in sack. So, and I hope I've been able to encourage you to do one or two things. You want to say?
Yeah, come.
And right here I have the archery. I have little fish. These are fishes. Yeah, that's the archery. Also have that here. Okay, so you can see the fish are very healthy, very active. They're doing great. Alright. So the waste from this water is used to water these plants you see around. See this is the exit of the waste, and it is used to water this plant you see all around. So agriculture is interesting. All you need to do is to get adequate knowledge, get adequate information, how to go about things, and practice because it pays to grow your own food. Is interesting, so interesting to grow your own food. You see these plants. Whenever I see these plants fruiting, see, I produce some of my food, not everything anyway, but it is a pleasure, and it gives me great joy to know that I am the one that is producing them. You understand? I produce all my vegetables. All the vegetables I eat here, I produce them by myself. And like now I'm having pepper. Once I started harvesting this pepper, they're about 3 months old. I started March 1. This is May 22. I said 23. May 23. So it's about 3 months now, and some of them are ready for harvest. And as soon as I start harvesting, I keep harvesting to the next 2 years or 3 years, depending on how long I can maintain the plant. So it's so interesting. You do it once and then you enjoy it for a long period of time. So please, let's get involved. Agriculture is very interesting, and I would like to hear you get involved and then share your testimonies of how you started and the result you get. It takes time. It takes time. I said this is about 3 months. If I didn't start at a time in March, I wouldn't be here showing you already fruiting plants. It's because I started something then. So get started now. In the next few months, you have very good story to tell. Thank you very much.